Everyone wants to improve themselves, but most people get stuck, overcomplicate things, or don't know where to get started. That's why today I'm here to break it all down into a three-step process. This isn't just a theory. I've tested this and it works every single time. And if you use these three steps, then you'll see real progressions in your life. So, without any further ado, let's dive in. So here we are, guys. Now I'm gonna show you the three-step strategy and how you can follow it to improve yourself. So the step one is self-awareness, and it is the most important part of this strategy. So basically, self-awareness means being aware of yourself, what weaknesses you have, what strengths you have, what habits you possess. So these are the things you need to be aware of yourself. Now, so this is you, and think of it like a game. So before leveling up in the game, you need to know your stats first. Now, in this part, I've divided stats into three parts. First one is strengths, next is weaknesses, and the last one is habits. So these are some example stats. For example, strengths being a good listener, being a creative thinker, weaknesses, procrastination and lack of confidence, and habits like morning exercise, checking phone being the first thing in the morning. So as you can see, checking phone being the first thing in the morning is actually a bad habit. So these things you need to know about yourself, that I possess this bad habit, so I need to fix it. Because self improvement starts from the urge of fixing yourself. So you need to have the mindset that yes, I want to change. And when you have that mindset, you can finally start your self improvement journey. Because if you don't have that mindset, no one can help you except yourself. So it's better to change now, and it's better to make your mindset that yes, I'm capable of changing and I will change. And remember here, you are knowing your strengths, weaknesses, and habits about yourself. So you need to be completely transparent. So if you have a bad habit, don't feel shamed about it because you'll improve. So just be 100% transparent to yourself that yes, I possess this bad habit. It's disgusting, I know. But yeah, I'll try to fix it. So this is the step one of the three-step strategy. So once you finish the step one, you can proceed to step two, which is small daily actions. So once you have gathered the knowledge about yourself and knew yourself better than anyone, you can start doing things. You can start implementing habits into your daily life, and that's how you improve. So I've explained the step two using a simple ladder. So this ladder consists of habits. Here, each step represents each habit, and the whole ladder represents a day. So, for example, the first step is working out for 10 minutes every day, then reading 5 pages every day, waking up early every day, avoiding social media in the morning every day. So these are some example habits, and you can start implementing those daily. So what you do is every single day you try to climb this ladder. You try to finish this ladder, and this is how you complete each day. So once you climb the ladder day by day, you actually improve. And what you can do is after 7 days have passed, after you have applied this ladder and you climb this ladder for 7 days, you can increase the gap between the steps. So what I actually mean is you can increase the duration or amount of things you do. For example, working out for 10 minutes. So once you have worked out for 10 minutes, the first 7 days. So from the next week or from the next 7 days, you start doing workout for 20 minutes. So you increase the gap between the steps. That's how you increase the duration. And this will boost you go further. And Same for other habits like read 5 pages, you can go to 10 pages, maybe 15 pages, maybe 20 pages. This is how you can continue. And waking up early, you can wake up more early. So this is what the step 2 is, that is small but daily actions. It is a small but daily actions that actually shape you, that actually help you get rid of distractions and make your brain focused towards your goals. So once you start implementing these small daily actions, you can move towards step 3, which is adapt and improve. So, in this step, this cycle shown here is very important. How is it important? Is so in this cycle, the first thing that is test. So what you do is you test the strategy, you climb the ladder every day. But remember that don't worry if you fail, because failing is a part of the 3-step strategy. So when you fail, you just need to remember something, that you won't quit. You will show up every single day. You'll still maintain the consistency. So when you fail, you learn from the failure. So, for example, one day what happened is you tried to climb the ladder, do those habits, you climbed half of the ladder, then what happened? You got distracted and wanted to scroll on the phone for like 10 to 15 minutes, but it turned out into 2 to 3 hours. So this is how you wasted the time and could not climb the whole ladder. So once you fail from this, you learn from it that okay, I touched my phone, that's why I could not climb the ladder successfully. So then you need to adjust, that you need to keep your phone away from the room or keep your phone in another room and put the work in your room. In this way, you don't get distractions and you feel less urge of touching the phone. So this is how you test, you fail, then you learn and adjust. And if you keep repeating the cycle, one day will come that you will truly succeed. So then you go to test again and you'll directly come to success, because this cycle is not always present. You'll not fail every single time. When you fail, you learn and then you succeed. So this is how this cycle works. But remember, you need to have patience. You will fail, but that's okay. But you need to have the consistency, and this is how you get success. But if you quit, you'll never get success. So also remember that success comes from repeating this cycle. Failure is just a feedback to get better. So that's how you get better. So this was the step 3, that was adapt and improve. So this was entire 3-step strategy that I tried to explain. I hope you guys got some value from it. And one more important thing is to start today, because it's never too late to improve. Today is the best time to start. So start today. Do something. You don't need to climb the whole ladder. Climb a step off. Maybe create a ladder and climb just a step off it. For example, waking up early. Just wake up early. Try to wake up early every day. You'll feel better. You'll have more focus. Then read 5 pages. Just start it. You don't need to complete this entire ladder in one day. Because extremity is not the key. Consistency is the key. Remember that. So this is how you'll start today. And if you have even got one valuable insight from this video, then make sure to like and subscribe, and I'll take more videos like this about self-improvement. This was my first video, so I hope I could share some values with you, and if you've got some values, I'm very glad of it. And best of luck for your next coming days, and do not forget to start this right now. So have a great day and goodbye. I'll see you later.